So tired. Happy Easter. It's Easter. Today is Easter. I'm so tired, guys. You can see what I'm cooking. So I'm making coconut fried rice for my family with turkey. But I wanted to do pepper turkey, but I'm so tired. I'm not making pepper turkey anymore. So we are supposed to have visitors today, but they called and cancelled that they can't make it today till tomorrow. So I brought out tilapia fish, goat meat, and more turkey because I wanted to make tilapia fish for them with sauce. Then I'm going to fry goat meat, then fried chips, put it by the side for them, a little bit salad, so that's what I wanted to prepare for my visitors. But since they're not coming today till tomorrow, I have to postpone whatever it is to tomorrow. I'm coming, guys. Coconut fried rice, sorry. So this is it. I got 2 bowls. This is one and this is the other. So this my chicken is so dried. I like my turkey is so dried. I like it like this. Hey guys, good afternoon, guys. Sorry, if this room is in a mess, please have mercy. I just finished making greatness here, so everything I use, the products I use, the attachment, everything is on the floor. So I got this parcel and I want to unbox it with you guys. Let me unbox it with you guys. So if you don't know, I do affiliate on TikTok shop. So I market goods, people's goods on TikTok shop. Come to company reach out to me to market their products. So one of the products is this. So this is so beautiful. so beautiful. Woo! Guys, take a look at these sneakers. Wow. What? Wow, this is so beautiful. This is so beautiful. And I pray it's my size. Okay, Aero 40, size 40. But I wear size 41 with on sneakers. So I'm go, Amanda don't dey look am. So I'm go soon tight me. And if it's not my size now, Amanda will take it.
Yeah, they look like.
When you have girl children, this is what you get. You will not go buy something make it dey with you. So guys, we're officially in summer. You're officially in summer because everywhere is so hot. So I'm talking to you now. The sun outside there is something else. Is what? Greatness is like the lava what? In volcano. So this is it, guys. So beautiful. So beautiful. And I like the color. I love the colors. Amanda is behind the camera and she wants to cry. Seriously, I love the color. So how you all doing, guys? Hey, the house is in a mess, the chaos. I can't wait for this break to be over. Thank God tomorrow they'll be going to school. What? Okay, Amanda said I can tell you guys to please subscribe to our channel. I'll send the link. It's on my community tab, or community whatever. So please subscribe to Amanda's channel. She's really doing great. So tomorrow holiday will be over. I can't wait. You're so what?
Only for 8 days.
Only for they've been at home for 8 days. And she says she's so angry. Mothers, imagine your children being at home for 8 days. No worries. No bonne. So like I was saying, I market products for brands on TikTok shop. So you can as well go there and check. You have something lovely. And I thank God is doing well. See me where they do collaboration. See me, I beg, what you don't mind this week. See me that is doing collab. So that just I beg no cannot go open. That just it. I love this thing so seriously. So cute. Mama, is it yours? It's mine. It's my own. It's my own. Guys, but it's so beautiful. So beautiful. So how you all doing? It's been long I spoke to you guys. After that, I think Easter.
Yeah.
It was on Easter day I spoke with you guys.
Fried rice day.
On Fried Rice Day. It was that right. Greatness said on Fried Rice Day. And guys, I was supposed to post video today. I'm so tired. I don't know if I'll post. I don't know. Do I even have to post? I've not been vlogging. I was on Easter break. Do I even have what to post? Hey God. Content creating is not your mate. I don't even have what to post. So that's just it. I'll talk to you guys later. Let me see if I can tidy everywhere. Looking at these girls, their room, Hey! Amanda, thank God people are not seeing it. Let's go. Let us see your hair. Let them see it. So
Stand up.
So this is what I made.
They look official.
Okay, bring your head this way. So this is what I made Greatness. I made that this hair just now. Go.
Yeah.
And I'm using Amanda's phone to film. My phone is dead. So I don't know how the camera quality is. Her phone is not Samsung. I use Samsung. I don't know her camera quality is IT. So let me beg, please forgive. Which iPhone? Our own is Moto. Hello Moto. So I don't know how the camera quality is. I beg. For like coach, please forgive me in advance. Some of my few videos that you see that the camera quality is a little bit low. Just know I filmed that video with Amanda's phone. And by the grace of God, we are saving up to get iPhone. Yeah, but for now, what's wrong with you? For now, let's make do with the Moto and the Samsung. And the Samsung. Another great milestone. What? What is it?
You say I need some attention.
What is it? Greatness.
I need some attention.
This is what the latest of her.
I need some attention. Oh, girl.
Please, I beg.
I need attention.
Please.
I got to
Holiday. Is your house free? holiday. You have to go. I'm tired.
Me too.
Please, who is ready? Holiday. Please come and carry me. I better let my holiday. I'm tired. It's okay, it's okay. Mama. Bring your legs. Let me wear you. Let me wear you. Bring your legs.
That would be extra chicken.
So guys, I've not disturbed you guys for a very long time concerning my driving. So you must stop.
The new series.
So for my driving, bring the series. For my mama, stop now.
It's video, do video. Mute that part. Oh, do video, mute that part.
For my driving, guys, we'll talk later. This will So guys, let's unbox what I got from TikTok shop. Let's see what is in here. Oh my god, unbox it with me.
Which one?
So this is the package. No. I'm not gonna continue. So this is the package. So guys, I got this everyday talked about HTC earpod language translator that can translate more than 300 and something languages. After something languages. Let's unbox it, guys. So this is it. I'm unboxing it in front of you guys so that you actually see it. So guys, this is it.
Let's hope it's good.
So I don't understand Italian language. I live in Italy. I don't understand Italian language and it's a struggle. And I'm practicing for my driving practical. So my instructor, it comes with this guide. Comes with a guide and comes with a manual and this manual. So my instructor always speak Italian for me, and it has been a struggle. Me understanding, I guess this is the charger. This is the charger. A struggle for me. So the main package. This is the main package. Let's see. Wow, guys, this is so beautiful. This is so beautiful. Wow. So let's open. Okay. Wow. This is it. Don't know if you guys can see it very well. So this is it. This is it. It's two. So guys, I must say this is very good and it is easy to understand, easy to operate. Just upload the app on your phone and you're good to go. You can use it to translate, you can use it to play music, can even use it to receive phone call. Click the yellow basket and get yours for an affordable price. If you don't understand this language, this is good for you. Click that basket right now and get yours before you hear sold out. See what I got from TikTok shop, guys. So lovely, so beautiful at an affordable price. Take a look at these sneakers, guys. See the back. Take a look at the back. Just take a look at these sneakers. Very beautiful, guys. Very beautiful. I got these from TikTok shop at an affordable price. Guys, you don't need to break the bank if you want to look good. You can get good things from TikTok shop. Just click the yellow basket and get yours before you hear sold out. Imagine you getting this for your loved ones as a birthday gift, marriage gift, any gift or anything they are doing. You just get this for them as gift. They will love it so much. The color is superb. I am loving it already. I can't imagine rocking this during this summer, guys, with my bump shorts and my tank top. Guys, it's going to look so lovely. So click the yellow basket and get yours before you hear sold out.